Assalam o Alaikum wa Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuh. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about a very important shift in our investing journey, a move from the high-risk world of penny stocks to a more stable, asset-backed path. Many beginners, and even some experienced traders, are drawn to penny stocks. The appeal is obvious: low prices and the dream of hitting it big with a stock that suddenly skyrockets. But we need to ask a serious question: are penny stocks truly suitable for every investor, especially when we look at it from an Islamic perspective? Right from the beginning, the purpose of this channel has never been about hype or shortcuts. We've discussed penny stocks, but always with the goal of education and risk awareness, never to give out tips, signals, or promises of guaranteed returns. Our faith teaches us to seek clarity, responsibility, and caution in our financial dealings. Speculation without a solid foundation is something we are encouraged to avoid. We should always know where our money is going and what it's supporting. So let's talk about the reality of penny stocks. They are known for extremely high risk and volatility. Yes, their prices can shoot up in a day, but they can just as easily crash to zero. In many cases, these stocks aren't backed by strong businesses or real, tangible assets. Their value is often driven by market sentiment, rumors, and pure speculation, not by fundamental performance like revenue or profit. Because of this high-risk, speculative nature, penny stocks are not a good fit for everyone, especially for those who are looking to build wealth for the long term or who are naturally cautious investors. There comes a point in every serious investor's journey where they start to ask deeper questions. They move beyond the thrill of quick gains and start thinking about sustainability. They ask, is there a way to invest my money where it's connected to real, physical assets? Is there a way to generate a more stable, predictable income stream, rather than just hoping for a price jump? This is the moment an investor's mindset shifts from chasing excitement to building a solid financial plan based on responsibility and foresight. This line of thinking naturally leads us to something called REITs, which stands for Real Estate Investment Trusts. What are they? In simple terms, REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. They allow everyday investors like you and me to invest in a large portfolio of properties. Think office buildings, shopping malls, apartment complexes, warehouses, and hospitals without having to go out and buy a physical property ourselves. When you invest in a REIT, your money is directly linked to these physical, tangible assets that you can see and understand. So, how do REITs actually generate income for investors? The model is quite straightforward and transparent. The properties in the REIT's portfolio generate rental income from tenants. After covering operational expenses, the REIT is legally required to distribute a majority of its taxable income, usually 90% or more, to its shareholders in the form of dividends. This makes REITs primarily an income-focused investment. The goal is to receive a steady stream of cash flow from real economic activity, which is the rent being paid, rather than just speculating on price movements. Now, why does this shift from penny stocks to REITs make so much sense, especially in our context? In many Western markets, the culture of speculation is very strong, which is why penny stocks are so popular. Short-term high-risk trading is a widely accepted practice. However, investors who prioritize stability, transparency, and long-term, sustainable growth often gravitate toward asset-backed options like REITs. For an Islamic finance perspective, this is even more relevant. The principles of Islamic finance emphasize investments in real assets, clear and transparent income sources, and the avoidance of excessive uncertainty or speculation. REITs, when structured correctly, align very well with these principles. So, what does this mean for the future of our channel? Going forward, we will continue to mention penny stocks from time to time, but only for the purpose of education and raising awareness about their risks. Our main focus, however, will shift towards more asset-based and responsible investing strategies. And we're going to start this new chapter with a deep dive into REITs. We believe this will provide far more value and align better with the long-term financial goals of our community. In the upcoming videos, we're going to break it all down for you. We'll cover what REITs are in much more detail and explain exactly how they work. We will explore the different types of REITs available in various global markets, including your own. We'll also have an honest discussion about the risks and important considerations you need to be aware of before investing. Most importantly, we'll provide a clear step-by-step guide on how a beginner can get started with REITs. Everything will be explained in a simple, practical way, so you can feel confident in your decisions. If your goal is to grow your wealth with knowledge, patience, and a sense of responsibility, then this is the right place for you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on this new series. Our very next video will be titled, How to Invest in Real Estate Without Buying Property. It's going to be the perfect starting point. Jazakallahu khair for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.